Okay, yesterday I have explained about what is point, what is line. In line three ways: line, ray, very good. And how to name them also I said to you. The point will be named by using the capital letters, and line must be named with two letters. For the line, anywhere you can mark the two letters, by using that you can name it. And for the lines survey, two letters means 2 points. One point must be end point, another point anywhere. And for the line segment, 2 points are also end points. One end point here, one end point there. By using them, you can name it. Okay, once you can take the textbook, then you can see what is the work you can do here. See to the page number 48. Do this. 4 points are marked on the given rectangle. Name them. Can you name them? You joined, I think. Not joined. Only you have to name. The 4 points are there. You have to name with the capital letters. Okay, you can do that. So you have to name the 4 points here, which are in the page number 48. And then in the line segment work, there is page number 49. You can see one work here. Do this. Take a geoboard, select any 2 lines and tie tightly a thread from one end to another. The thread you have fixed as is a line which can extend in both directions, and one in these 2 directions, only in these 2 directions. Okay, I will show to you geoboard. Geoboard means it will be like this. Once wait, I will show the geoboard for you. So this is called geoboard. Geoboard means what we have here? Nails. So what is saying to you, from one nail to another line, if you make it tight. So what it is called? How it is looking? Straight looking, no? This is called line. Suppose if you can extend like this in one direction, and if you extend this in this direction, that is called line. And you stop here and extending in one direction only. Ray. And in both directions also you stop there. That is line segment. Straight path. Anywhere you can take. You see, like this also you can take. Anywhere, not only condition, anywhere. Straightly if you take, that is called as straight path, is called as line. Okay, this is called geoboard. What it is called? Geoboard. Geoboard. Geometrical instruments we can show here. Rectangle, square, these all geometrical shapes we can show by using the rubber bands. That we will discuss in future. Okay, next thing about the ray. Think, discuss and write. Page number 50. Once you see the page number 50, think, discuss and write. Here is a ray OA. It starts at O and passes through the point A. It also passes through the point B. Can you name it as OB ray? This is the ray OA ray. This is one ray, and actually this name we kept as OA ray. Means this ray is starting from O and it is passing through A and it is passing through B also. Now the question is, can you name it as OB ray or not? Yes, you can name it. Why? Because I said to you, to want to name the ray, compulsory one point must be end. Remaining anyone you can take. Here you have taken one end point here, O. Another one as you wish you can take it. So here also you can take, B also you can take. Okay, so you can write it. What is the reason? Yes or no? If yes, can you write the reason or not? Yes, what is the reason? Here, O, one end point have taken, another one, anywhere you can take the point. It may be A or maybe B. Okay, then second question. Can you write the ray like this? A O ray. Can you write like this? A O ray.
Yes.
See carefully.
No.
No, you cannot write like that because what is the problem here? Arrow mark if you keep here, okay. But if you keep the arrow mark here, this is wrong. It is indicating A is endpoint, but A is not endpoint here. That's why you cannot write like that. Then, okay, use results. Okay, next exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. In 4.1, what are the questions are there? Once we will discuss. Okay, see what are the questions are there? First question you see. Join the points given below and name the line segments so formed in the figure. They have given some points here. So what are the points? Names are there already given. A, B, C. And he said to join the points with the scale. Join the point with the scale. Like this, like this, like this. Now you say what are the, he is asking to you, what are the line segments are forming here? Can you name them?
Triangle.
What are the line segments? Not the total shape. What are the line segments are found here?
BC.
Very good. BC line segment. Like this also compulsory. And AB or BA line segment. AC line segment. So you can write like that. Second also you see there are 5 points are there here. P, Q, R, S, T. So here also you can make the line segments. So how do you make the line segments? You see, this is one line segment. You can name it as PQ line segment.
QR.
This is also you can.
RS.
This is also you can.
ST.
This is also you can.
T.
Not that only, any other can you make? Yes. How? Like this also you can make. Like this also you can make. That much only. Again there is chance. Like this also you can. Again. Like this also you can. Again, like this also you can. See, so many line segments are found here. So all the possible line segments, you draw it in the notebook, not in the textbook. Draw this in the notebook and write all the line segments names which are found here. Okay. Okay. Next one. What is the next question here? Second question. Name the following from the figure. Name the following from the figure. So what is the figure here? What he has given here? There is one rectangular box and arrow marks are given like this. And they have marked the points here. This point is A and this point is B. This point is B. This point is C. This is O. Now he is asking to you, name any 5 points here. Can you see the 5 points here? What are they? Point A, point B, point C, point D, point O. Okay, one more question. Any 5 line segments? Can you say any 5 line segments here?
AB.
Yes. This is one line segment. AB line segment. Next.
BC.
BC one line segment.
CD.
CD one line segment.
DA.
DA one line segment.
AO.
AO means from here to here only. A to only. From here to here one line segment. 5 line segments. More are there, but he is asking to you 5 line segments. You have to write the 5 line segments. Okay, next one. Any 3 rays. 3 rays. Ray means you know. One end point must be there, another point, another side, no end point. So what are the rays you can see here? See here in this picture, rays. means what? One end point, another one not there. You see here. You think from O2 you started. Are there, but you don't think about that. Only this is one ray, no?
Yes.
This is one ray. What do you name this? OD ray. We'll name like this, no? OD ray.
OC ray.
Yes. OC ray.
OB ray.
OB ray. OA ray. Not only like that. BD ray also you can take. You close it. B2D. BD ray like that. But he is asking only 3 rays to us. Next one, any 2 lines. 2 lines. Line means you know.
B.
No end point.
BD.
Very good. BD line like this. This is BD line. And it is
AC.
AC line. A very nice name. AC. In house AC will be there. No AC. BD. BD. 2 lines also are there. In AC, take BD. Okay, these are names you can name it. Can you?
Yes, sir.
So that is the second question. How do you write the second question? Okay, next third. We will discuss the third question. What is the third one? How many lines can be drawn through one point? There is one point here. How many lines you can draw through this one point? How many lines you can draw here? Through one point. There one point is there. Through one point. Through means you know. How many lines you can draw? You try. One line you have drawn. Can you draw one more?
Yes.
Yes. Can you draw one more? Yes. Can you draw one more?
Yes.
Means like that, how many lines you can draw through one point? Lot of. Means infinite. We cannot count. That's why what you will say? Infinite lines you can draw through one point. One more question that is there. Through two distinct points. Distinct is separate. 2 points are there. One point is here, one point is here. Through these 2 points, how many lines you can draw?
One.
Only possibility there is only one line. Only one line will go. Second line if you can't. Second line if you draw again it will become there only. Third line also it will become there only. That's why we can draw only one line through 2 points. But you can draw infinite lines through one point. So next fourth question. The fourth one is, which of the following has a definite length? Definite means exact. Exact length. Which is having exact length? Is the line is having exact length? This line. Exact means, can you measure it?
No.
That is, if you can measure, that is called exact length. Without measuring, it is not called exact. Can you measure this? You can't. That's why line does not have the exact length. And point, can point have the exact length? No, we cannot measure this also. Can a line segment have the exact length?
Yes.
Yes, because it is from here to here only. You can measure with the scale. And next, can the ray have the exact length? No, ray also cannot measure. That's why in these are only line segments only is having the exact length. Okay, next, fifth question. How many endpoints do the following have? You know it very well. You can answer it. How many endpoints are there? Can you answer or not? Can you answer or not? How many endpoints are there?
2.
You can easy no? No, I am reading. You can do it. Sixth one. Right, true or false? A line has no endpoints. Line has no endpoints.
False.
Line has no endpoints, he is saying. Endpoints are there here.
True.
There are no endpoints in this. That's why it is true. Ray is a part of line. Ray is a part of line. Ray is one part in the line.
True.
Yes. If you close like this is. Ray is Okay. Ray is a part of line. Yes. Then a line segment has no definite length. Line has not. Line segment. Line segment has no definite length. Is saying.
False.
False. Definitely length is there for that. Exactly there. But he is saying wrong. Next. A line segment has only one end point. Line segment has only one end point. It has only one end point. Is saying.
False.
How many end points are there for this? Two end points are there, but he is saying only one end point, so it is false. Okay, next. Ray. Ray means what is saying question first? We can draw many lines to a point. We can draw many lines to a point. To one point you can draw many lines, he is saying. Yes, it is correct because we have seen here. Okay, last one is the seventh question. Draw and name line containing point P. We have to draw one line. On that one point must be there. What is the point name?
P.
You can write. You will draw the name line and we will mark one point P. Second, you have to draw the line which is passing through R. That is also easy. One line you will draw. Line is both arrow marks. It is passing through L. So can you draw like this? So you can do this all exercise 4.1 you can complete easily. Okay, next topic we are going to discuss about curve. So what is called curve? Up to now we have learned the things in geometry. We have learned only what do you learn? One is
Point.
line, ray, line segment. Now today we are going to learn about the curve. Simple. Which is not straight. Which is not straight is called curve. If you draw something straightly, that is called line. If it is not straight, I have drawn like this, not straight. So what it will be the curve? It is called as curve. Which is not straight is called as curve. So, but curves are different types of them. So, we are going to discuss about the curves. Simple thing is, which is not straight. Which is not straight is called curve. Whatever it may be, any shape. You see, number 8 is not the curve. Sorry, is not the straight line. That's why it is what? Curve. Anything. This is curve. This is curve. Okay. And it is curve. So many, whatever it may be are there, these are all curves. So in curves, we are going to discuss about curves are different types. Curves are different types. So we will discuss about them now. In curves, these are all curves only. In that, when you are observing the curves, sometimes some differences we can find in them. What is the difference you try to understand? I have drawn like that one curve. I have drawn one like this curve. In this both something difference you can find. What is the difference you can find it? Okay, not I draw like that. It is not such thing. What is the difference between that one and this one? What is the difference is there? So one difference clearly you can find that here where I have started, here I started, I ended here. Here I started, I ended here. But in this picture you see, where I started, there only I ended. Where I started, there only I ended. Where I started, there only ended. That is the difference between that and this. The difference between this and that. What is the difference? Can you find it? These curves, where I have started, there only I ended them In this, where I have started, I end in the different place. Is it or not? I ended in different, with starting point, ending point, different are there here. But in this, starting point, ending point is same. Okay, this is called as, in this what you call, you know, this type of curves are called as open curves. You can see in this open curves. And in this you see here, where I started, there only I ended. Because of that, these pictures are closed. So that's why these are called as closed curves. That is the difference between some different, these are two types of curves we have taken. In that, some are open curves and some are closed curves. Okay, we found that curves are there. What are the curves we know that? And in the curves we are finding two different types. What are the two different types? Some curves are open, some curves are closed. Mathematically, how can you say? Starting point, ending point, different are there. That are called as open. Starting point, ending point are same. That are called as closed. So finally, we found that curves are two types. That are open curves and closed curves. And the curves we can differ in another way also. Curves again I will differ in another way. I will separate the curves in another way just to try to understand. So this is one type of curve. 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 So here you see I have drawn something different, here something different. So what is the difference you can find in this, that type and this type? Okay, don't think about like open and closed. Here there open also are there, closed also are there. Here open are there, closed are there. That's why that separation already we have done there. That's why I said that curves are two types. Some are open, some are closed. But here difference, what is the difference in this place? What is the difference you can find in this place particularly? You can observe here clearly. In that, in this, what is the difference you see? When I am drawing the curve, I am intersecting it again. Can you clearly understand? Here you see, I am drawing like that. See here what happened? Connected again, touched again. That curve is touching again itself. Again it came here. Again here it cut, intersected itself, touched itself. That is called as intersected. The curve is intersecting itself here. Here also you see intersecting. A curve is intersecting itself here in this touch. Intersecting. The curve is intersecting itself. But in this, anywhere intersecting like that?
No.
The curve is not intersecting anywhere itself. The curve is not intersecting itself anywhere. But here the curve is intersecting itself. So which are intersecting itself or which are not intersecting itself, these are called as simple curves. Simple curves. And which are intersecting itself, they are non-simple curves. Non-simple curves. So the lines, something if you draw without straight, that are called curves. In the curves we are finding some are open, some are closed. The example we have seen here. Some curves are open, some curves are closed. And in the curves only, we can see like this also. Some curves are intersecting itself again and again. Here, the curves are not intersecting at curves are in one way open and closed, two separation, and in another way simple, non-simple, simple, non-simple. Okay, so this is the we need to understand about the curves, and you see what about this? What do you say about this curve? What type it is? Simple also, closed also. So finally, what can you say this one as? Simple closed curve. This is simple closed curve. This is only simple curve, not closed. No, simple curve. You understand? I think you understand about very well. Once we will discuss in the questions which are in the textbook. See the page number 51. 51. Think, discuss, and write. Think, discuss, and write. Here, what he is saying? Here, some curves are given. In that, move your pencil along the following English letters and state which are open and which are closed. He is saying to you, when this is given here, you take your pencil and move it. And move it. Now you say, is it closed or open?
Open.
Why? How can you say? Because if it ends again here, then you will say that is closed. Otherwise it is open. See the second one, is it closed or open?
Closed.
Yes. See the third one, is it closed or open?
Open.
Open. Fourth one, open. And next, tell which letter is an example of simple curve. In this above, which is, I think all are simple curves for you. Simple means what? I said to you, it is not intersecting itself. No, not in that. First one only second. In the first one, think, discuss, and write only second question. Tell which letter is an example of simple curve. Above letters. All are simple only. G simple, O simple, L simple, M simple. Why they are simple? Because they are not intersecting anywhere itself. Like this is not intersecting. That's why they are simple. Okay. Second one, try this. Identify which are simple curves and which are not. Which are simple and which are not. Can you say the first one? Is it simple curve or not? Yes, simple. Second one, simple. Third one, non-simple, because it is intersecting itself. Fourth one, non-simple. Here first and second are simple curves. Third and fourth are non-simple curves. Okay. So about this today is completed. Tomorrow we will discuss about the polygons. Okay. Okay. Polygons. After the polygon we will discuss about the 4.2 and angle. Tomorrow we will complete this all. Up to angle also we will complete. Okay? Okay. Thank you.